One of the reasons why I choose the Not-for-Profit Leadership Center is because of the impactful programming and also the opportunity for all of us in the not-for-profit sector to work together to get high-level capacity building for our organizations and to move the ball forward with synergizing amongst ourselves. I think the opportunity to get to know other people, and as we get to know each other, to see the ways in which we can work together so that we're not duplicating functions within the not-for-profit sector, and also to develop the 21st century skills and training that we need to be better professionals and to help those who are entrusted to our care and to help coach and develop the people who work with us in our sector. I think the impact of the involvement here has been to continue to grow our organization. We are a startup organization, startup not-for-profit, so to have the kind of baseline support that we've received here, and again, to develop those relationships with other people has really been a big plus for us. Not only I, but a number of people from our organization have been part of the programming. And I think not only the actual programming, but the consistency and the ability to have a great place to be trained, and also the diversity of the kinds of topics that are presented here. There's something in there for everyone. And so for us, that's been a real great blessing.